Hey guys, it's Chris again. Just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I've been trading over the last week. As you can see, I'm up a little bit on my accounts. I think I'm up overall from last week, mainly because of where silver and gold is heading. Some of the major changes is got some more puts on the SPY. Let me break it down on this account. So I have 4 puts on the SPY. January, same thing. Nothing changed except I added one more. And then I'm selling puts against mine, so basically a calendar spread, taking the short-term time premium, slowly, in my eyes, slowly cashing out on being right. Because most of my puts are up 11, 14, 10, 14, 12, 10. I think that's when I bought yesterday, and then that went down a little bit too. Basically, today, as you see, I bought back September 4th, 284. I sold those for 10 cents, bought them back for a penny. And this time I sold 4 at 11 cents, kind of trying to go out of the money at 285. The chances that gets hit by Friday, pretty low. And even if it did, then my puts would be doing pretty great. So basically, raking in 44 bucks. I mean, commission was $3, so more like $40 after commission, which is still one of the cheapest. Like, I didn't even pay anything to buy those back. So where's my position? Market value. Like about $5 grand. So about 1% for 2 days of risk. Very little risk too, based on how far down I am. And we got some more SLV, SIL. That's another change I made. Let's see if I made any other changes from last week. If you guys go watch it, you'll see how I bought more oil. I'm not sure how I feel about that one. But in my eyes, like, can't go much lower, can it? Who knows? We'll see. But yeah, so I bought another 100 shares at like 21 something. So my average is, $24. Yeah, hoping to see it go back up, in the 40s, 50s, hopefully in the next 12 months, but we'll see. Mainly short in the market. If you guys want to see more, I'm probably going to try to do more videos on my calendar spreads to kind of show how accurate I am, just kind of keep record of how many I'm winning and losing. If you want to see more of this, just subscribe and hit the bell. You'll see more. All right. You guys have a good one. Happy trading. Good luck.